Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought with you very tasty, delicious and simple Indian Sikh kebab recipe which is going to be very tasty and delicious, and I am going to tell you few simple and easy steps which makes this recipe a super easy for you all. So let's get started without getting any further delay. For this, into a huge bowl add in the minced meat or the keema. So here I'm going to use 1 kg of mutton keema. Make sure that the keema is also not having any water and do not have any moisture. So here there are 2 to 3 chopped onions, and I have squeezed the whole water from it so that our Sikh kebab do not crack or break. You can even grind the onions in the grinder and then squeeze out the excess water. Now add all the onions into the meat. And now to spice it up, I'm going to add in few green chilies. Here I have 4 to 5 finely chopped green chilies and also coriander leaves. Here half a bunch or 1 bunch of coriander leaves. This gives very good flavor to our Sikh kebab. This recipe is going to be very easy, so do try it out guys. This is going to be very tasty and delicious. Now add in the spices like 1.5 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder or half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of jeera powder and salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder and 1 teaspoon of regular red chili powder. The Kashmiri red chili powder gives good color, and 2 to 3 lemon juice. Now mix all the ingredients using your hand. So here any corn flour or maida is not required as we have squeezed out all the water from the onions. So give it a good mix, and in case if you feel that the batter is slightly slippy or it is not in this form, you can add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of maida or corn flour accordingly. Now take a handful of batter and use a seek like this. Here I'm going to use the rod of the grill that we get in the oven for the chicken. So in case you don't have this type of rod or the seek, you can even use the long toothpicks that are usually available. Or another thing you can do is pile up 2 to 3 pencils and wrap it with the silver foil, and then you can use it as a seek. So however you are convenient, you can use that method. So in this way you can prepare few and put it in a plate and fry it all at once. But here I have a little bit of practice, so that is why I'm going to directly prepare and put it instantly into the kadai. So here I'm going to fry the Sikh kebab. So I have heated a kadai and added in oil. Now I'm going to drop one after the other all the Sikh kebabs by making it instantly. So in case you don't have any practice in this and you are a beginner, you can make all the Sikh kebabs and put it in a plate and then fry it all at once. So this way. And do remember, in case you find it little liquidy, you can add in little corn flour. And in case you're going to make it little bit healthier, you can even roast it on the tawa by adding in 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee on either side. So here I'm going to fry it so that it gives a crispier meat, tasty and tender delicious taste. So it is up to you how you want to make it. Now flip the Sikh kebab onto the other side and put it aside so that you can place another Sikh kebab towards the side of the kadai. This way you need to fry it until it turns golden and crisp. This is also perfect for occasions. Whenever the guests are going to arrive, you can just prepare the Sikh kebabs and put it in a plate. And as soon as they arrive, you can just fry and serve them hot. They are going to be very much pleased with your Sikh kebabs. So give this a try. Now you can see they have turned out golden and crisp. And now I'm going to take them out into a tray. This way, if you fry them golden and crisp, they do not remain tender anymore and raw anymore, and they give very delicious taste. You can serve them with green chutney or mayonnaise, or as it is also this is just good and just perfect, or you can even have with rice and dal. This goes so perfect and so good. So in the same way, I'm going to fry all the other sikh kebabs in batches and I'm going to serve it in my style. For today. In case you find it interesting and easy, do hit a like button. Also share it with your friends and family members. And do let me know in the comment section how and when are you going to try this. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Bye.